Expose. Non-ammoniated wax and floor finish stripper removes floor finish, sealers, and waxes from commercial flooring surfaces. Expose goes to work without ammonia or butyl, but instead relies on a powerful formula consisting of wetting agents, amines, penetrants, and synthetic detergents. The concentrated formula is economical, while the lack of irritating fumes makes Expose an extremely user-friendly choice. This results in a stripper powerful enough to remove finishes from resilient floors along with non-resilient surfaces such as marble and terrazzo, but also safe enough for use on delicate surfaces such as linoleum.